algebra, expressions often contain brackets. We can expand or multiply out these brackets by simply multiplying the terms inside the brackets by the term outside the brackets. For example, if we had 2 open brackets a add 4 close brackets, we would expand these brackets by multiplying 2 and a, which gives us 2a, and then multiplying 2 and 4, which gives us 8. So we have expanded the brackets to make the expression 2a add 8. Here is another example. If we had 5 open brackets 3 subtract b close brackets, we start by multiplying 5 and 3, which gives us 15. Then we multiply 5 and negative b. You must be careful with subtraction signs, as these create negative numbers. 5 multiplied by negative b is negative 5b. So this gives us the final expression of 15 subtract 5b. Have a go at expanding these brackets. Pause the video while you find the answers. Here are the answers. You might have a negative term outside of the brackets, such as negative 3, open brackets, g add 2, close brackets. Here we multiply negative 3 and g to get negative 3g. Then we multiply negative 3 and positive 2, which gives us negative 6. So we have expanded the brackets to get negative 3g subtract 6. You may find some brackets contain more than 2 terms. For example, negative 2, open brackets, j subtract 9 subtract k, close brackets. We expand these in the same way as brackets containing only 2 terms, by multiplying all the terms inside the brackets by the term outside the brackets. So negative 2 multiplied by j is negative 2j. Then we have negative 2 multiplied by negative 9. Remember that when you multiply 2 negative numbers together, you get a positive answer. So in this case, you get positive 18. Lastly, we have negative 2 multiplied by negative k. Again, as both of these terms are negative, the answer will be positive. So we get the answer of positive 2k. So this gives us the final expression of negative 2j add 18 add 2k. Have a go at expanding these brackets. Pause while you find the answers. Here are the answers. It is also possible to expand brackets where the term on the outside is a variable. For example, If we had a, open brackets, a add 5, close brackets, in this case we have a multiplied by a. A number multiplied by itself is a square number, so we get a squared. Then we have a multiplied by 5, which is 5a. So the final expression is a squared add 5a. Variables can also be negative terms. So if we had negative b, open brackets, b subtract c add 9, close brackets, here we need to multiply negative b by b, which gives us negative b squared. Then we have negative b multiplied by negative c. Two negatives make a positive, so we get positive bc. And finally, we have negative b multiplied by positive 9, which is negative 9b. So the final expression is negative b squared add bc subtract 9b. Have a go at these examples. Pause while you find the answers. Here are the answers. Variables can be multiplied by numbers known as coefficients. We need to be careful to include this number when multiplying. For example, if we had 3a, open brackets, a add b, close brackets, to expand these brackets, we would start by multiplying 3a by a. And a multiplied by itself is a squared. And as one of the a's has been multiplied by 3, we get 3a squared. We then have 3a multiplied by b, which gives us 3ab. So the final expression is 3a squared add 3ab. Here is another example. Negative 4c, open brackets, d subtract 7, close brackets. We start by multiplying negative 4c and d, which gives us negative 4cd. Then we multiply negative 4c and negative 7. Negative 4 multiplied by negative 7 is positive 28, so we have positive 28c. So the final expression is negative 4cd add 28c. Have a go at these examples. Pause while you find the answers. Here are the answers. Here is a summary of what we have learnt about expanding single brackets. To expand brackets, you must multiply all the terms inside the brackets by the term outside the brackets. We need to be careful of subtraction signs as these create negative numbers. The term outside of the brackets can be either a number or a variable. When variables are multiplied by coefficients, we need to remember to use both the variable and the coefficient when multiplying out brackets.